Now I will explain how to replace proxy files with original ones in DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci creates proxy files with the same names as the originals. Thanks to this, you can replace proxy files and originals using the Relink Selected Clips function. Note that this only works when the file extensions match. If your originals have a movie container and the proxies are MP4, the files will not link. Keep this in mind. To replace proxy files with original ones, select them in the media pool. Right-click on any file and choose the option Relink Selected Clips. Now specify where the original files are located on the PC, and the program will automatically replace the files in the project. Thank you for watching.